Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. This 1200cc twin-cylinder retro sport just arrived with only 6,000 miles. Awesome torque, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. This one's got brand new tires and the gorgeous blacked-out finish. Come on by and make your bobber dreams come true on this awesome 2019. Price to sell at just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.